Welcome back! Now that you've mastered note-taking for the reading and listening, let's turn those notes into a high-scoring essay. Today, we'll break down the structure, use a foolproof template, and analyze real examples. Ready? Let's kick it off. Okay, here's the deal. The reading throws out 3 theories about these ancient buildings. But the lecture? It's like a detective at a crime scene, poking holes in every single one. Your job? Show the TOEFL graders how the lecture wrecks the reading's ideas. Think of it like a debate. Reading says X, lecture says nope, here's why. Easy, right? Let's break down the template. First, your intro is like the movie trailer. The reading thinks the Chaco houses were homes, storage units, or party spots. But the lecture? Total disagreement. Boom! That's how you start strong. Now, for each body paragraph. First, the reading claims, but the lecture slaps back with, repeat 3 times. Imagine you're narrating a boxing match. Reading throws a punch, lecture dodges and counters. Got it? All right, let's dissect the first theory. The reading says, oh, these were totally apartment buildings, just like Taos. But the lecture? Hold my coffee. Here's the kicker. If hundreds of people lived there, where are all the fireplaces? Think about it. Families back then cooked daily. You'd need a fireplace for each crew, right? But in one giant house, they found, drumroll, only 10 fireplaces. For more than 100 families. 10. That's like having one microwave for an entire dorm. So the lecture's like, nice try reading. No way this was a residential spot. Catch that? We're using the lecture's evidence, in this case, fireplaces, to obliterate the reading's theory. Here's a golden nugget TOEFL graders love. Focus 70% of each paragraph on the lecture. Why? Because the lecture's the star. The reading's just the opening act. And hey, never copy-paste from the reading. Paraphrase like a boss. Instead of the reading claims, say the reading suggests or argues. Mix it up. Oh, and end each paragraph with a zinger. This mismatch proves the theory is flawed, or clearly the evidence doesn't hold up. Examiners eat this up. Want to practice? Try our free trial. Get AI grading, personalized tips, and all our essay drills. Imagine getting a score in 10 seconds. How cool is that?